To the first ever virtual online Independence Day celebration being hosted by Jagrad Public School, Noida.
वन्दे मातरम् सुजलां सुफलां मलयज शीतलां शस्य श्यामला मातरम् वन्दे शुभ्रज्योत्स्ना पुलकितयामिनी पुल्लकुसुमितद्रुमदलशोभिनी सुहासिनी सुमधुरभाषिणी सुखदां वरदां मातरं वन्दे मातरम्। वन्दे मातरम् 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 वन्दे एहसास थोड़ा तो जगाए अपने दिलों में हम क्या नाम है अपना जहां में खड़े हैं कहाँ पे हम है हमें जाना कहाँ और चले हैं कहाँ पे हम हमसे पूछे ये बात रे वतन वन्दे मातरम्
Good morning, everybody. Honorable Chief Guest Dr. Shiv Kumar, Scientist E, Botanical Garden of Indian Republic, Noida, distinguished parents, staff of JPS, and my dear students. On behalf of JPS fraternity, I welcome you all here in the 74th Independence Day celebration, Megh Malhar Utsav, and third oath taking or investor ceremony of our newly constituted Student Council for the session 2020-21. I express my sincere thanks to everyone for finding some precious time from their very busy, hectic schedule to grace the occasion. Today is significant in two ways. First, we are celebrating 74th Independence Day, followed by Megh Malhar Utsav. Secondly, we are empowering our students with a sense of responsibility so that when a school reopens, they will discharge their duties diligently. Certain days in the year remind us of our roots and journey back to a time when our forefathers struggled for freedom and independence. Independence Day is a historic day of India which instills feeling of Deshbhakti in all of us. Today, we all Jagran family should also remember our patron Shri Puran Chandra Gupta ji's contributions in the freedom struggle. Shri Puran Chand ji had started a small news bulletin which was launched in 1942 from Jhansi during the Indian freedom struggle Quit India movement, along with Shri J.C. Arya and Shri Gurudev Gupta, a nationalist, to voice their nationalistic sentiments. Shri Puran Chand ji named that short news bulletin as Jagran and tried to correlate it with Devi Jagran in order to spread Jagran among the people of India for freedom from British rule. Today, we all feel proud to be a part of Jagran family and also feel proud for our great patron Shri Puran Chandra Gupta ji. Every Indian needs to thank all our leaders on this auspicious day. Therefore, keep calm and celebrate 74th Independence Day with great humility. Humans have a unique trait to transform into great performers in extraordinary tough times. In these COVID-19 pandemic times, our teachers have shown talent to learn and execute virtual online teaching and latest IT tools. Our parents have actively supported us and have seriously thought about their ward's education and future. Our students have realized the importance of self-studies and upgrade themselves to become conversant and comfortable with virtual classes. Certainly enunciates the famous proverb, when the going gets tough, the tough gets going. So stay safe, work with a definite aim, and stay blessed. Thank you. Have a nice day.
ऑनलाइन उपस्थित छात्रगण, माता पिता, अभिभावक और उनके सगे संबंधियों, मेरे लिए गर्व की बात है कि आज की इस पावन दिन पर मुझे यहाँ पर आमंत्रित किया गया। मैं डॉक्टर सिन्हा आप सभी और सभी शिक्षकगण का धन्यवाद ज्ञापन करता हूँ। 74वें स्वतंत्रता दिवस की आप सबको बहुत बहुत बधाइयाँ और शुभकामनाएँ। आज संपूर्ण राष्ट्र हमेशा की तरह परंपरागत तरीके व हर्षोल्लास के साथ स्वतंत्रता दिवस वर्तमान में कोविड-19 महामारी के प्रकोप की अत्यंत विषम परिस्थितियों में भी बड़े गर्व के साथ मना रहा है। यही विशेषता भारतीय इतिहास के स्वर्णिम संस्कृति व संस्कार के परिचायक हैं। प्रदेश में कोविड महामारी के फलस्वरूप लॉकडाउन के दृष्टिगत स्कूल बंद होने के कारण जागरण पब्लिक स्कूल नोएडा ने ऑनलाइन आभासी कक्षाएं, जिसे वर्चुअल क्लासेस कहा जाता है, अप्रैल माह से ही प्रारंभ कर दी थी। फलस्वरूप शिक्षण कार्य का कोई नुकसान नहीं हुआ और सीबीएसई के दिशा निर्देशानुसार कक्षाओं का संचालन बिना व्यवधान सुचारू रूप से किया गया और किया जा रहा है। जैसा कि अभी प्राचार्य महोदय से बातचीत के द्वारा पता चला, उनका यह प्रयास पूर्णतः सराहनीय और प्रशंसनीय है। आज के इस पावन दिन पर मैं आपके विद्यालय में वास्तविक रूप में आपसे मिल नहीं पा रहा हूँ, इसका मुझे खेद है। परंतु मुझे यह पता चला कि वे सभी अपने ऑनलाइन आभासी कक्षाओं के पढ़ाई के साथ साथ सांस्कृतिक कार्यक्रमों में पूरे उत्साह से सम्मिलित हो रहे हैं। यह बहुत खुशी की बात है और सभी छात्र, उनके परिवारजन प्रशंसा के पात्र हैं। भारतवर्ष में जहां शैक्षणिक पद्धति अपने नए आयाम की गति से लगातार विकसित हो रही थी, वह श्रृंखला कोविड-19 महामारी के कारण अवरुद्ध हुई, परंतु इससे एक नई शिक्षा प्रणाली जो तकनीकी आधारित शिक्षा है, जिसे ऑनलाइन आवासीय कक्षा कहा जाता है, अपने देश में समय से पहले ही लागू कर दी गई, जिसमें वास्तविक रूप से छात्र और अध्यापक ट्रेंड हो रहे हैं। इससे ये दोनों 100% लाभान्वित हो रहे हैं। यह तो कर भला तो हो बुरा के ठीक विपरीत, कर बुरा तो हो भला सार्थक हो चुका दिखता है। यहाँ पर शिक्षा के क्षेत्र में जो तकनीकी विकास बहुत तीव्रता से हुए और हो रहे हैं, उसके लिए मैं आईटी टेक्नोलॉजी का आभारी हूँ और साथ ही उनको धन्यवाद भी ज्ञापन करता हूँ। आप सभी को मैं पुनः एक बार स्वतंत्रता दिवस की बधाई देते हुए समस्त स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों के बलिदान को याद करते हुए उनके प्रति नतमस्तक हूँ। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring speech and information about our chief pet. Now, I would request Mrs. Anjana Saxena to take over the mic for investiture ceremony 2020-21 of the Student Council. Mrs. Anjana Saxena, please. Thank you so much.
If your actions create a legacy that inspires others to dream more, learn more, do more, and become more, then you are an excellent leader. Good morning. I take the opportunity to welcome all the distinguished guests, parents, and my dear students on this special occasion of first ever virtual investiture ceremony of Jagran Public School. The School Student Council 2020 has 24 posts, and these are as follows.
Ready.
Head boy Rahul Garg of class 12A, head girl Kritika Kumari 12B, vice head boy Aryan Kaushik 11A, vice head girl Yuvika Jain 11C, sports captain from boy category Aditya Sharma 12C, sports captain for girls Vidhi Thakur 12C, vice sports captain for boys Yuvraj Singh 11A, vice sports captain for girls Sakshi Dwivedi 11C, junior head boy Krishna Bhaskar 8C, junior head girl Adya Sharma 8C, junior vice head boy Sankalp Samantra 7A, junior vice head girl Himanshi Khar 7A, junior sports captain for boys Abhijit Balyan 8A, junior sports captain for girls Krishna Mitra Jayadeep 8C, junior vice sports captain for boys Prateek Sharma 7B, junior vice sports captain for girls Pari Bhati 7C. We have house prefects also. There are 4 houses in our school: Bluebirds, Green Leaves, Golden Wings, and Red Roses. Bluebirds house prefect for boys Nikhil Sharma, class 12A. Bluebirds girl house prefect Anushka Goyal, 12C. Green Leaves boy house prefect Devashish Kapoor, 12A. Green Leaves girl house prefect Ishika Chauhan, 12B. Golden Wings boy house prefect Abhishek Rawat, 12C. Golden Wings girl house prefect Gungun Raghav, 12B. Red Roses boy house prefect Snehal Ojha, 12B. And Red Roses Girl House Prefect Anukriti Srivastav, 12A. Now, I would request our parents to pin up the badges to the current School Student Council 2020. Now it's the time to take oath. I request our chief guest, Mr. Shiv Kumar, to read out the pledge for our School Student Council. For Blue Birds, Nikhil Sharma and Anushka Goyal.
The newly elected Students' Council of Jagran Public School do solemnly place the students of God
in the presence of God
and the Assembly to abide by the rules and regulations that govern our institution and to be honest and true to the core values that it stands for. We promise to carry out the duties and the responsibility entrusted to us with courage and conviction, and above all to uphold the integrity of our alma mater at all times. We hereby affirm that we will always honor the faith and trust respond in us and work selflessly and tirelessly for the prestige and glory of our school. We, the newly elected Students' Council of Jagran Public School, do solemnly place the students of God
in the presence of God
and the Assembly to abide by the rules and regulations.
Thank you, sir.
Liberties aren't given, they are taken. With this quote, I commence my speech. A warm welcome and hearty good morning to the gathering. Honorable Principal Sir, teachers, parents and all my dear friends. Today, I, Rahul Garg, head boy of this esteemed institution, feels privileged to be given an opportunity to deliver a speech on the national event of Independence Day. It is truly said that nothing is as good as living in an independent and self-sustained nation, isn't it? Providing us an independent and free environment to live in, we must salute to the martyrs who laid off their lives for our nation. It has been 73 years of independence, but it's high time since our country has shown strong growth. Focusing on the education of children at all levels could be a major step towards growth and development of our country. Our country has more than 50% population below the age of 25, and it's expected that in 2020 the average age of India will be 29. With such a youthful nation, focus laid upon the skill enhancement and overall development of children would help build a robust economy. I would like to end my speech by an impressive quote of Nelson Mandela. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Thanks for listening with such a great patience. Goodbye and stay home, stay safe.
We all are here to live, to dream, to grow and to contribute. This is what makes our life worthwhile. A very blissful good morning to respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, teachers, and all my fellow mates, today I, Kritika Kumari, feels immensely pleasured to be selected as the head girl of this prestigious institution for the academic year 2020-21. I would like to thank the management staff who thought me as capable to take up this opportunity. Though I didn't give my name this year, but still I'm selected, and that makes me happier. I don't have words to express my gratitude towards the staff. The dream that I dreamt in class 3rd has now become a reality. Today is the happiest day for me, but at the same time, this badge reminds me that I'm not given this for mere happiness, but it's given to me to realize and accomplish all those duties that I ought to do. At the moment, I'm filled with enthusiasm to start this fantastic new journey of my life, and it will be successful only with the valuable support of each one of you and God's blessings. At the end, I would like to thank my parents who brought me in this world and supported me through every time I needed them. My teachers who have a big hand in my position today. I thank God for giving me the best. Thank you and have a nice day.
And now it's the time for vote of thanks. May I request our VP ma'am to do the honors. Thank you.
Good morning all and a very happy Independence Day. Thank you sir for giving me this opportunity to address the gathering. I would like to extend my thanks to the Honorable Chief Guest and to Principal Sir for making this event happen despite all odds. I would like to further extend my thanks to the office and the administrative staff, students, and of course my dear colleagues who made this event so beautiful and mesmerizing. On this auspicious day, let's all together take a vow to stay united and stay happy. Thank you all once again. Jai Hind.